Hi, Danny from Game Theory College Planners. I wanted to spend some time and walk you through EFC and how it really works. So we'll do a little whiteboard work and I'll pull up my iPad over here. So here's kind of the basic formula that just about every college uses when gauging aid eligibility. So colleges all use this version of the equation where they take their cost of attendance. And if you remember, cost of attendance is not just tuition, it's everything, okay? Mandatory fees, room and board, books, all rolled into one big cost. So they look at their cost, they subtract the family's EFC, or expected family contribution. This is the amount that the college or the government thinks that you can pay. So colleges can use the government's number, they can make up their own number, okay? Now, when you take the difference between these two numbers, you get the amount that the family needs to pay for that college. It's the need. So let's look at a $70,000 a year college. There's a lot of them out there. And let's say this family has an EFC of 20,000, okay? When you take the difference between these two numbers, that's 50,000. That's $50,000 that the family just can't afford. But here's the cool thing. There's a lot of colleges that will meet that need at 100%. There's a lot of colleges that'll do most of it, okay? So if that portion is taken care of by the college, it will significantly bring down the cost of that college to in-state price, a lot of times below in-state price, right? But what if in this similar situation, you have a family with a $200,000 EFC, okay? They make too much, right? Does that mean zero need? Does that mean that you don't get any money? No, absolutely not. What that means is your EFC is no longer an indication of what you can pay. It's just an indication of what kind of money you can get. In this case, we probably look at merit aid. So let's sum this up. If you know what your EFC is, okay, and let's say that EFC is between $0 and $15,000, that's need aid all day long that we're going to go after. All right. If that EFC is between 15,000 and say 30, we're going to go after need aid at a lot of schools, at the more expensive ones, and we're probably going to go after merit aid at a lot of other schools, maybe some public schools. Now, if our EFC is greater than $30,000, well, we're going to be looking at merit aid. And we can see awards. I've seen merit awards as high as $45,000, $46,000 a year. So don't let the EFC fool you. In some instances, it's an indication of what you'll pay. But once you get past $30,000, $40,000, it's no longer an indication of if you're going to get money or not get money. It just tells me what kind of money we're going to get and how much you are going to get. So that's a quick crash course on EFC and how it relates to the kind of money you can get and how much.